Is it the right time to buy or sell Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Redhill Biopharma Ltd. We previously published an initial report on our website on Friday, December 1, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 30, 2023, our system has identified Redhill Biopharma Ltd as a potential opportunity to buy, giving it a score of 2.67. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as expected, with a loss of 17% so far. This means that on average, it has experienced a daily loss of 8.5% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a further rise within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 5.17% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within a range of -79.43% to 82.75%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 2.27% change over the next year. The potential return is estimated to be between -86.76% and 204.74%. This would translate to a price range of $0.220 to $5.06 after a year. Here's the latest update on Redhill Biopharma Ltd. The stock price experienced a volatile ride on Friday, moving between $1.58 and $1.89. On the last day of trading, Friday, December 1, 2023, the Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock price fell by 17% from $2 to $1.66. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 19.62%, reaching a low of $1.58 and a high of $1.89. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a gain of 394.64%. It's worth noting that the volume of shares bought and sold decreased along with the stock price, which can be seen as a positive sign. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 11 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $13.56 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $5.70, while the lowest price was $0.126. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 70.88% or $4.04 below its 52-week high. It is also 89.96% or $14.88 below its all-time high, which was reached on August 4, 2016, when the price reached $16.54. Analysts have given Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as neutral and price to book as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. The Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock is showing positive signs based on both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a buy signal. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further supporting the buy signal. In case of any downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $1.49 and $0.624. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has also generated a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which might influence the near short-term development of the stock. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 42.36% decrease in the stock price. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals for you to consider in your trading strategy. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator currently suggests a buy signal. Pivots, on the other hand, indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 122 days ago. The short-term moving average also presents a buy signal 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 6 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average displaying a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaling a buy 6 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages implies a buy signal 109 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. First, let's talk about the support level. Currently, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Moving on to the risk involved with this stock. It exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. To put the volatility into perspective, let's look at the stock's performance over the last day and week. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $0.310, which is equivalent to a 19.62% difference between the high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 57.8%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Redhill Biopharma Ltd, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. If the stock follows an upward trend, its first resistance level is at $2. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below this level. This means that, under certain conditions, the stock could potentially drop sharply. So, it's crucial to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We recommend setting the stop loss at $1.57, which is a decrease of 5.64%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, making it a high-risk investment. Moreover, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe that there is a buying opportunity for Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock. There is a fair chance for it to perform well in the short term. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock, and we find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, December 4th, we expect Redhill Biopharma Ltd to open at $1.71, which is a $0.0500 increase from the previous close. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. Please note that the information provided should not be the sole basis for your investment decision. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We are not liable for any losses incurred. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this particular stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.